To repay your bottom loan, the send now and pay later installments to avoid fines is very easy. Begin by logging in into your bottom app and then tap on the send now and pay later money option. As you can see on the screen, the amount due and the due date will all be revealed. You can see here that I have a loan of 3,465 that must be paid on 31st July. You also see the total used credit and the available credit here below. So guys, to repay our loan, tap on the Repay Now button. You can select to pay the full loan amount by tapping here on Repay All Bills. In the same regard, you can also choose to pay half the bill by tapping here on Partial Payment. If you want to make a partial payment, enter the amount you want to pay and read through the repayment details. As you can see on the screen, the used amount was 2,715 and the interest will be 284, making a total of 3,000 that I'm about to pay right now. Once you have read through the repayment details, tap on the pay button and then select the collections account. The collections account is the account you want to use to repay this loan. If you already have funds in your bottom pay, you can go ahead and use that, or use a debit card that is already saved to your account. You can also go ahead and add a new debit card if that's what you want to use. Once you have selected your collections account, tap on the pay button, go ahead, enter your password to confirm this payment. Head to your banking app, accept the payment, and again, come back to bottom and finalize. That is it guys. As you can see, the transaction was successful. That's how you repay your bottom send now and pay later installments and avoid fines. But if you are new to bottom and you want to take this loan, the video up next will guide you